Good morning, students. Those who have the camera off, kindly switch on the camera. Let's begin up with the class. Chali. Let's talk about the topics which we have covered in the previous class. So yesterday we have done the concept of scalar vector and speed velocity. Yes. Chalo, may I ask questions from there? Chalo. One difference between speed and velocity. Who is going to tell any one difference between speed and velocity? Very good. Hanji, Ansh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. All good?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the definition of speed is an object that moves into any direction is called speed, and the velocity is called the speed of an object moving in any direction in a particular direction is called velocity.
Yes. When the object moves in a particular direction, fine. That time the speed is considered as velocity. And when you cover some distance, you take some time to cover that distance, we say it is speed. But if there is a particular path also, we call that speed as velocity. So very good. Again, requesting those who have the camera off, kindly switch on the camera, else forcefully I have to remove you. Shubhpreet ji, again and again you switch off the camera. It's not good. Be particular for your class, beta. Navpreet, have your notebook along with you? Yes, Namay, Mohit. Okay, ji. So let's proceed. I'm going to give you two quantities. You have to tell that out of these two, which is scalar and which is vector. Okay. The two quantities are speed and velocity. Speed, velocity. Out of these two, which is scalar, which is vector? Yes, Arman.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Arman, how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Hanji, beta.
Speed is scalar and ma'am velocity is vector.
Speed is scalar, velocity is vector. Very good. Acha, if anybody who is not aware of this, है ना, or you feel like that you are confused, so you can have a trick to learn this. S for S, speed S, scalar S. V for vector, V for velocity. Got it? But this will not go for all the other quantities, okay? Just speed and velocity. Fine. But see, this is not the time to do all this. Because your grade 9, you have to understand, है ना? The question can be asked in any way. So if you have the proper understanding, kuch bhi question aa jaye, you are able to do that. Yes. So we have to train ourselves in such a way. Fine. So why speed? Speed scalar hai ke vector hai? Velocity scalar hai ke vector hai? Uske liye just understand one thing. Vector quantities are those which require direction also. A particular direction. And if we say velocity and speed, in दोनों में से particular direction किसके साथ होती है? Velocity के साथ. Speed can have any direction, but velocity is going to have one particular direction. Fine. So velocity is a vector quantity, speed is a scalar quantity. Chaliye. Can we start the class? Shubhkirat, you are requested to switch on the camera. Mohit, Shubhkirat. Krishna, Adarsh. Okay, ji. Let's proceed with the class. Today we are going to proceed on with the next topic. Fine. And that is, okay. Are you able to see the whiteboard? Yes? Are you able to see the whiteboard? Anji Sukhdeep, are you able to see the whiteboard? Okay, thank you so much, dear. Chale. Today we are going to proceed on with the next topic, that is acceleration. We are going to talk about the next topic, that is acceleration. First of all, write the definition of acceleration. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. Rate of change of velocity. Anshji, you have to write.
Very बढ़िया
Okay. So what is acceleration? The rate of change of velocity. Fine. अब velocity हमने किया था. What is velocity? Velocity means speed in one direction. जब आप एक particular direction में move करोगे, that time what the speed you are going to have, we are going to call it as velocity because you are moving in a particular direction. Fine. Now what is acceleration? Let's say this is point A. Fine. You move from this point to some other point B and the path is straight. मतलब यहाँ पे speed की जगह हम बोलेंगे velocity. We are going to talk about velocity here. Okay. Now in the beginning your velocity is, let's say, 20 kilometer per hour. Let's say you are going in a car. In the beginning at point A the velocity is 20 kilometer per hour. At point B the velocity is again 20 kilometer per hour. Fine. Is there going to be a change in velocity here? यहाँ पे कोई velocity change? Is there any velocity change here? At point A you have velocity 20. At point B also you have velocity 20. So is there any change in velocity? No. Very good, Tanish. So here there is no acceleration. Acceleration means there has to be a change in velocity and you will be taking some time to bring that change. Fine. Now how we can have that? Let's say at A you have velocity 20 km/h. Then the path in front of you is totally clear. You feel like that there is no traffic. You can increase the speed. So आपने race दी and you have increased the speed to 40 km/h. Now the velocity changes from 20 to 40. Velocity में change हुआ, and definitely you are going to take some time also to bring this change. Like race दोगे तो 1 second, 2 second, 5 seconds, a minute. So it can be, let's say you have taken 5 seconds to bring this change in velocity. So what is acceleration? What is the change happening in the velocity and in how much time it is happening? Velocity में कितना change हुआ और कितने time में वो change हुआ, that is going to tell you about the acceleration. Is the point clear? Okay. Next is, there can be increase in velocity, there can be decrease in velocity. For example, यहाँ पे क्या था? आगे traffic नहीं था. So you increase from 20 to 40. Then let's say you have to go to the next point C. B to C straight path है, but there is a lot of traffic. So you reduce the speed to 10 km/h. आपने reduce करी. Fine. So based upon this, whether you increase the velocity or you decrease the velocity, you are having acceleration of two types. Fine. One is called as positive acceleration and the second is called as negative acceleration. Based upon, क्योंकि हमने देखो, if you look on to this example once again, you go from A to B, straight path था, velocity की बात होगी. You go from A to B, path is totally clear, there is no traffic. So आपने velocity increase की, पहले 20 थी, फिर कितनी हुई 40 in 5 seconds. So this is positive acceleration. Then there is a huge traffic from B to C. आपको velocity decrease 40 से कहाँ पे आ गए 10 पे. You decrease the velocity. So this is negative acceleration. Just to learn it, you can just have one thing in the mind that whenever we give race, we speed up. That is positive. Whenever we speed down, that is negative. Point clear हुआ? Now we are going to write the differences between positive and negative. I'm again seeing many students with camera off. Kindly switch on the camera. Else you will be removed from the class. Okay, so positive acceleration, write down the definition. The acceleration in which final velocity is greater than the initial velocity. Write it down. The acceleration in which final velocity is greater than the initial velocity. With each one of you all are having my number with you, fine. So if there is any problem, anything, you can please let me know, but this way, switching off the camera, you will be removed. Okay, now write down about negative acceleration. The acceleration in which final velocity is less than the initial velocity. Find the acceleration in which final velocity is less than the initial. Okay, now let's understand negative positive again. Okay, look here. Point A पे आपकी थी velocity 20. This is the initial velocity, the starting velocity. So we write the starting velocity. इसका symbol to write starting velocity, we use the symbol small u. Okay, small u is the symbol used for Kiranpreet, kindly mute yourself. Okay, ji. So at A, the velocity is 20. ये starting velocity है. Starting velocity we write with u, but it is small u. Remember this. If you write capital U, that is wrong. Okay. Similarly, from A to U, you reach to B. So B is your final velocity, and final velocity we write with small v. V आएगा, but small v. Lower case. Fine. Now, क्योंकि velocity increase हुई है, we go from 20 to 40. Fine. So this is positive acceleration, and in this case, v की value जो है, that is greater than u की value. Is it? What is the value of v? Krishna, kindly adjust your camera, please. Value of v is how much? It is 40. Value of u is how much? It is 20. So v value is greater than u. That is what we say, that the final velocity is greater than the initial velocity. On the other hand, if you talk about the negative व्हाट डू यू हैव? बी से सी तक आपकी क्या थी? नेगेटिव एक्सेलरेशन। यस, बी से सी तक। अब यहाँ पे हम दोबारा लिखेंगे, नाउ वी स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम बी, तो बी क्या हुआ? इनिशियल वेलोसिटी मतलब u, and we reached till c, so c is your final velocity, that is v. Now in this case b is having more value 40 और c पे कितनी वैल्यू है? 10. So in this case the final velocity is less than that of the initial velocity. So this is your negative acceleration. So right here the final velocity is less than the initial velocity. Okay, हाँ जी, is this point clear? Okay. चलिए, let's talk about this once again. एक बार दोबारा इसको डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. First you have is acceleration. Acceleration होता है rate of change of velocity, मतलब कितना velocity में change हुआ और कितने टाइम में वो चेंज हुआ. फाइन, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दिस. आई एम स्ट्रेसिंग ऑन टू दिस वर्ड अगेन एंड अगेन. लुक ऑन टू द स्क्रीन. इट इज चेंज. चेंज, इट मीन्स देयर हैज टू बी अ चेंज इन वेलोसिटी. अगर वेलोसिटी में चेंज नहीं आएगा, देयर विल बी नो एक्सेलरेशन. एक्सेलरेशन इज ओनली देयर इफ देयर इज अ चेंज इन वेलोसिटी. अच्छा, रेट का मतलब होता है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम. चेंज इन वेलोसिटी, लेकिन कितने टाइम में. सो वी से रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ वेलोसिटी. ठीक है, लाइक स्पीड का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? डिस्टेंस ओवर टाइम. सो विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम है, सो वी से द रेट ऑफ कवरिंग डिस्टेंस, मतलब कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया, कितने टाइम में कवर किया. फाइन, चलिए. Now acceleration is of two type. One is positive acceleration, one is negative acceleration. If the final velocity is greater than the initial velocity, it is positive. और ये कब होगा? यहाँ पे लिख दो, when we speed up, है ना? When you speed up, only then the final is going to be greater. मतलब आपने increase किया है. And negative acceleration when happens? When you speed, slow down the speed, you can say. When you slow down the speed. Fine. Then there is negative acceleration. Is the point clear? हाँ जी. Anyone, any question till here? समझ में आ गया? Repeating again, acceleration means change velocity में in how much time? Rate of change of velocity. It is of two types. One is positive, one is negative. Positive means velocity का increase होना from the previous, initial से final का increase होना. That happens when you speed up. Negative means velocity का decrease होना, and that happens when you speed down. आगे अचानक से कुछ आ गया in front of you, you have to apply brake, है ना, और speed को decrease करना पड़ेगा. That is negative acceleration. जब road clear है, you increase the speed, race दोगे, that is positive acceleration. हाँ, चेंज इन वेलोसिटी, क्लियर, वेलोसिटी में चेंज होना जरूरी है। सेकंड, वेलोसिटी स्ट्रेट पाथ, फाइन। Anshji, you are continuously smiling. I guess you are not in the class. Ansh, you are not attending your class, my dear. Why you are smiling? I am not cracking the jokes here. Okay, ji. Now we'll do a little more about this acceleration. Fine. So acceleration का formula क्या होगा? That is change in velocity over time taken. So this is the formula of acceleration. कितना velocity में change हुआ and how much time you have taken to bring that change. Also, we can write it as small a for acceleration is equal to change in velocity. अच्छा, velocity का change कैसे लिखोगे? Let me ask a question from Karamveer. Karamveer, please unmute. Karamveer, you are at a point where it is written 5 kilometer. ठीक है? You are going for a walk. Karamveer, unmute. Good afternoon, Karamveer.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. All good?
Yes.
Okay. Karamveer ji, you are going for a walk. एक point से start किया where it is written 5 kilometer. Then you keep walking and you reach to the point where it is written 7 kilometer. कितना distance cover किया?
Ma'am, 2 kilometers.
2 kilometer. Is the answer 7 kilometer? Anybody? Or what Karamveer is saying is correct? 2 kilometer is correct. अच्छा करमवीर, ये बताओ कि 2 किलोमीटर आया कैसे? बिल्कुल सही आंसर है, इट इज 2 किलोमीटर। बट 2 किलोमीटर कैसे आया बेटा? कैसे फाइंड कर लिया आपने इतनी जल्दी?
मैम क्योंकि हम 5 किलोमीटर से 7 किलोमीटर, हम 2 किलोमीटर से होता है।
नहीं होता है, नहीं कैसे होता है? 7 minus 5
यस मैम,
इज इक्वल टू 2 किलोमीटर, है ना?
यस मैम।
दैट मीन्स फाइनल वैल्यू जो थी माइनस जहां से स्टार्ट किया इनिशियल वैल्यू, जो आपकी फाइनल वैल्यू होगी उसमें से आप इनिशियल वैल्यू को माइनस करोगे तभी आंसर आएगा। ऐसे ही आएगा?
ओके मैम, यस मैम।
वेरी गुड। नाउ सिमिलरली लेट्स से यू मूव फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए टू बी, फाइन, आप एक पॉइंट से दूसरे पॉइंट तक जा रहे हो। यहाँ पे आपकी इनिशियल वेलोसिटी है लेट्स से 20 किलोमीटर पर आवर, ठीक है? यहाँ पे है फाइनल वेलोसिटी 50 किलोमीटर पर आवर। अब चेंज इन वेलोसिटी कितना होगा?
मैम 30 किलोमीटर पर आवर।
ऐसे
मैम लास्ट वैल्यू को इनिशियल वैल्यू से माइनस करके।
यस, दिस इज फाइनल, दिस इज इनिशियल। तो हमने क्या किया? फाइनल माइनस इनिशियल करके हमें पता चल गया, सो इट इज 30। वेरी गुड। अच्छा, फाइनल वेलोसिटी को हम किसके साथ लिखते हैं? v के साथ, स्मॉल v के साथ। इनिशियल वेलोसिटी को हम लिखते हैं स्मॉल u के साथ। तो फॉर्मूला क्या बनेगा? फाइनल क्या है? v माइनस u। इज दिस क्लियर?
यस मैम।
चलिए, वेरी गुड। Okay, now we are going to write the formula of acceleration. A, small a for acceleration is equal to change in velocity को लिखेंगे v minus u। समझ में आया क्यों? फाइनल माइनस इनिशियल। डिवाइड बाय टाइम को लिखेंगे स्मॉल t. So the formula of acceleration is v minus u over t. I hope it is clear to everyone. Okay, let's move on with the next. Unit of acceleration. Acceleration का unit कैसे निकालते हैं? So acceleration is what? Velocity over time. Velocity का unit होता है मीटर पर सेकेंड. टाइम का यूनिट होता है सेकेंड. सो अब इसको और कैसे लिख सकते हो? मीटर पर सेकेंड को हम लिख सकते हैं मीटर डिवाइड बाय सेकेंड, और दूसरा सेकेंड ऑलरेडी डिनोमिनेटर में है, ऊपर कुछ नहीं है, 1 लिख सकते हो. सो इज इट मीटर मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 इज मीटर, सेकेंड मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 इज सेकेंड मल्टीप्लाई बाय सेकेंड इज सेकेंड स्क्वायर. सो व्हाट इज द यूनिट ऑफ एक्सेलरेशन? मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. इज इट? प्लीज लर्न इट. ओके, रट्टा लगाने की जगह आपको पता होना चाहिए कि कैसे यूनिट बना. तो एक्सेलरेशन का फॉर्मूला क्या है? चेंज इन वेलोसिटी ओवर टाइम. वेलोसिटी का यूनिट मीटर पर सेकंड होता है, डिवाइड बाय टाइम. टाइम का यूनिट सेकंड, तो नीचे क्या आ जाएगा? सेकंड स्क्वायर. सो इट इज मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर. आई होप इट इज क्लियर. चलो, any question till here, anybody? Pritpal, Harsimran, kindly switch on the video. Okay, अब हम करेंगे one numerical. Fine, which I told you. One numerical, and we will understand that how we have to solve the numericals. ठीक है? We are going to understand properly. Like numericals are going to be very easy for you. बस समझ में आ जाना चाहिए कि कैसे करते हैं. Fine. So let's do it. So you are going to write first of all steps to solve numerical. लिख दो. Right here. Steps to solve numericals. The first step is given. ये सारे step लिख लो, because you know if you have heard from somebody के numericals बहुत difficult होते हैं, there is nothing like that. What the 5 steps I am going to tell you, if you are going to do these 5 steps in your numerical, you will score full. There is no deduction of marks. Okay, so first you have to write given. Second, you have to do conversion. Third, formula. I'm going to first write it down, then I'm going to tell you what is this, okay? Fourth, substitution. Fifth, result plus unit. So if you are going to follow these 5 steps, there is going to be nothing difficult in numerical. अब ये 5 steps हैं क्या? Let's write a numerical and we understand it. Fine. मैं खुद solve करके आपको समझाऊंगी कि कैसे हमने values put करनी है. Okay. So let's say the question is the object changes velocity from 36 kilometer per hour to 18 kilometer per hour in 10 seconds. Find its acceleration. Find its acceleration. The object changes velocity from 36 km per hour to 18 km per hour in 10 seconds. Find its acceleration. Okay, so this is the question. क्या है क्वेश्चन कि ऑब्जेक्ट की वेलोसिटी चेंज हुई है, पहले कितनी थी 36 किलोमीटर पर आवर और फिर कहां पे पहुंच गई 18 और कितने टाइम में 10 सेकेंड्स में. एक्सेलरेशन फाइंड करो. फाइन. सो लेट्स यूज द स्टेप्स. फर्स्ट स्टेप इज गिवन. तो जब भी हमने आंसर सॉल्व करना है, फर्स्ट स्टेप वी हैव टू डू इज, पहला स्टेप कौन सा है, गिवन लिखो. गिवन मींस जो भी क्वेश्चन में दिया है राइट इट डाउन. अच्छा, क्वेश्चन में इनिशियल वेलोसिटी गिवन है, स्टार्टिंग वेलोसिटी इज गिवन. यस, इनिशियल वेलोसिटी जिसको हम स्मॉल यू के साथ लिखते हैं, इट इज 36 किलोमीटर पर आवर. फाइन. ओके, फाइनल वेलोसिटी इज गिवन. Yes, it is given. Final velocity written by small v is equal to 18 kilometer per hour. Next is time is also given. Time को हम लिखेंगे small t के साथ and it is equal to 10 second. Next is acceleration you have to find out. अच्छा, हमने जो भी चीजें गिवन थी वो लिख दी. सो दिस कम्स इन गिवन. फाइन. द सेकंड इज कन्वर्शन. सेकंड स्टेप क्या है, कन्वर्शन. कन्वर्शन मींस whatever you have written in the given you have to check whether it is in the standard unit. जैसे वेलोसिटी का स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट क्या होता है, मीटर पर सेकेंड, लेकिन यहाँ पे तो 36 किलोमीटर पर आवर लिखा है ना. So we have to convert it into meter per second. How we are going to do this? Whatever the number you have, 36, multiply that with 5/18 directly. वैसे भी आप कर सकते हो, किलोमीटर मीन्स 1000 मीटर. फाइन. डिवाइड बाय आवर. 1 आवर में कितने सेकेंड, 3600. So when you are going to solve this, you will get 5/18 only. So rather than solving it completely, you can directly multiply the number with 5/18. Now cancel it. 18 ones are 18 twos are. Now 2 5 is 10 meter per second. Similarly, final velocity check karo. That is also in kilometer per hour. Bring it into meter per second. Multiply the number with 5/18. 18 cancel. You left up with 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड. उसके बाद थर्ड फॉर्मूला पुट करना है. एक्सेलरेशन इज इक्वल टू v माइनस यू ओवर t. आफ्टर दैट फोर्थ सब्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ वैल्यू. v की वैल्यू कितनी है 5 माइनस u की वैल्यू कितनी है 10 डिवाइड बाय टाइम 10. सॉल्व करो. 5 minus 10 is -5 डिवाइड बाय 10. You get the answer as minus 0.5 meter per second square. Here comes your result and unit. Result क्या है, minus 0.5. Unit क्या है, meter per second square. Okay. Okay, so the main thing for today is आपको steps पता होने चाहिए how to solve the numericals. We are going to practice this again in the next lesson. Fine. God bless you. Enjoy your lunch. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.